For generations, the typical American shooter looked at Palmetto State Armory as the bargain basement option for budget builders looking to assemble a basic defensive rifle without breaking the bank. If you wanted something to toss in the back of a rusted farm truck or leave under a seat in a tractor, you bought a cheap assembly kit and called it a day. But over the last several firing cycles, something fundamentally shifted deep inside their manufacturing facility. Out of absolutely nowhere, this company started dropping engineering designs that frankly make zero sense when you look at the lower tier price tags. We are talking compact personal defense weapons built for heavy, high thermal duty cycles, double-stack performance lines that run flawlessly alongside high-tier custom builds costing 3 times as much and integrated modular platforms that are making heritage manufacturers look completely overpriced and obsolete. The real problem is that a massive percentage of gun owners are still sleeping on how aggressive and highly technical this lineup has become. They do not understand the metallurgy changes or the tight tolerances being integrated into these new systems. By the time we clear the spent brass from the range today, at least one of these platforms is going to make you completely rethink your logistics strategy and your home defense layout. Number 10, Mossberg 5-Ninity Shockwave. A platform built purely for structural durability, heavy parts wear resistance, and close quarters asset retention. When you need a devastating mechanical advantage inside a tight hallway, bedroom entryway, or a vehicle platform, you do not want an oversized 20-inch barrel snagging on structural frame points. This 12-gauge system clears that issue completely by running a 14-inch heavy-walled steel barrel while maintaining an overall footprint of just over 26 inches. This is not a range toy, and it is definitely not for shooters who are sensitive to heavy mechanical recoil or massive muzzle blast. Because it operates on a traditional dual-action bar pump mechanism, the reliability standard is absolute under extreme environmental stress. There are 0 gas ports to clog up with carbon fouling, and no semi-automatic recoil springs to fail when cycling low-pressure defensive loads or specialized breaching munitions. Unloaded weight sits right around 5¼ pounds, which makes it incredibly fast during rapid target transitions, but that light polymer and steel chassis means your skeleton is absorbing every single ounce of kinetic energy when you chamber full-power defensive buckshot or heavy flight control slugs. The mechanical durability of the receiver is proven steel-on-steel bolt lockup, ensuring that your critical failure points are virtually non-existent even under high thermal load and zero maintenance schedules. The bird's head grip profile alters the entire vector of the recoil impulse, pushing the force backward into your forearm rather than straight up into your face. It is a brutal, unforgiving tool that gives civilian owners genuine trench warfare utility inside a package that stows perfectly behind a truck seat or inside a dedicated defensive locker. Number 9. PSA Dagger Compact. We have the handgun that forced the entire striker-fired market to stop charging premium prices for basic combat features. For years, the polymer utility pistol market was completely dominated by European heritage brands that refused to innovate unless you paid a massive premium for aftermarket milling. PSA looked at that exact landscape and chose to completely break the system by releasing a duty-grade platform that integrates advanced ergonomics straight out of the assembly box. Chambered in 9mm, the Dagger Compact runs a 3.9-inch stainless steel barrel inside a slide assembly that features aggressive forward and rear tracking serrations. The structural core of this pistol is the optimized grip geometry, which incorporates an aggressive texturing pattern that keeps the polymer frame completely locked into your palms, even under heavy moisture stress or rapid-fire strings. The undercut trigger guard drops the bore axis down closer to your radial bone line, which directly translates into flatter tracking and significantly less muzzle flip during high-speed defensive drills. Internally, the steel fire control components are engineered for long-term part retention, running a smooth, flat-faced trigger system that breaks clean with a highly tactile short reset. This geometry allows follow-up shots to track effortlessly between target zones without forcing the shooter to fight heavy mechanical creep. Magazine capacity sits at 15 rounds, utilizing standard utility patterns, which ensures your logistical supply chain is completely universal across the country. It is an optimized defensive tool designed to run thousands of rounds through harsh training cycles without inducing critical slide failure or frame warping. Number 8, PSA 5.7 Rock. A high-capacity semi-automatic handgun that completely shattered the cost-prohibitive barrier to high-velocity defense logistics. For decades, the 5.7 by 28mm cartridge was effectively locked behind premium imports that forced shooters into deep financial deficits just to secure a functional framework. This platform subverts that paradigm entirely by offering a duty-grade tool engineered from the ground up to maximize the ballistic performance of this specialized miniature rifle round. The structural foundation relies on a carbon-reinforced polymer frame that features optimized flank geometry. The grip profile is elongated but uniquely streamlined from side to side, allowing smaller hands to establish maximum torque during rapid firing strings. At the upper assembly, this pistol runs a 4.7-inch cold hammer forged barrel treated with a high durability carbonitride finish to survive high gas velocity and aggressive throat friction over thousands of cycles. Unlike primitive direct blowback handguns that suffer from harsh, snappy recoil impulses, this system utilizes a delayed blowback internal operation inspired by high-tier competition designs. This mechanical choice buffers the slide acceleration, slowing down the unlocking phase just long enough to bleed off peak pressure before cycling the casing out of the ejection port. The result is an incredibly flat recoil vector that tracks almost like a .22 long rifle carbine rather than a high-velocity combat tool. Standard capacity sits at a massive 23 rounds inside a flush-fitting steel box magazine, giving you unparalleled onboard asset protection capability without adding excessive width to your defensive utility belt. The trigger configuration drops down to a light, clean braking assembly with a short, crisp ignition reset, making it effortless to stay on target while punching accurate ventilation holes through high-grade armor simulators at the 100-yard line. Number 7. Tisas 9-11. We are stepping away from synthetic polymer constructs to analyze a weapon platform forged entirely out of cold hard ordnance steel. The custom 1911 market is notorious for charging thousands of dollars for hand-fitted tolerance adjustments that look phenomenal on a showroom floor, but often fail under harsh grit and mud immersion testing. This tool aggressively attacks that market segment by dropping a rugged military-grade double-action alternative that functions as an absolute workhorse under real-world tactical survival constraints. This platform is a direct homage to the classic single-action design, but incorporates modern metallurgy that upgrades the baseline structural durability by over 30%. The entire frame and slide are precision CNC machined from solid blocks of hammer-forged 4140 chrome moly steel alloy, completely eliminating the stress-cracking flaws found in cheaper cast alternatives. Running a full 5-inch match-grade barrel, this steel powerhouse provides a massive mechanical block against recoil absorption. The physical mass of the 40-ounce frame works to naturally dampen the snappy shockwave of full-power defense loads, keeping the front sight blade locked perfectly inside your rear optical notch during high-stress failure. Drills. The barrel bushing lockup is engineered with strict duty-level clearances, meaning it is tight enough to hold sub-2-inch groups at 25 yards, but leaves just enough structural air gap to cycle smoothly, even when completely caked in spent carbon fouling and blown unburnt powder. Grit. The fire control components feature an enhanced skeletonized hammer paired with an over-travel adjusted trigger bow that breaks like glass at a predictable 4 pounds. It features zero side-to-side rattle and absolutely no spongy creep. This is an uncompromising defensive engine built for shooters who prioritize mechanical longevity, asset retention, and the raw structural integrity of forged American combat steel over modern plastic trends. Number 6. PSA Crink. The platform that single-handedly revived vintage battlefield nostalgia and packaged it inside an ultra-rugged 2026 combat chassis. For generations, if an enthusiast wanted to get their hands on a faithful AKS 7-4U inspired configuration, they had to hunt down exceptionally rare custom parts kits or pay tens of thousands of dollars to high-end collectors. This firearm entirely erases that barrier to entry. This subcompact powerhouse runs an 8.3-inch steel barrel optimized specifically to cycle the heavy-hitting 7.62 by 39mm cartridge with absolute authority. Unlike modern short-barreled AR systems that lose massive reliability due to low dwell time and critical gas pressure drops, this platform relies on the legendary long-stroke gas piston operating system. The piston rod is permanently attached to the bolt carrier group, meaning it utilizes pure mechanical mass to cycle the action through carbon buildup, dust, grit, and zero frame lubrication. Up front, an aggressive oversized muzzle booster traps expanding gas right at the crown, forcing it backward to guarantee smooth positive cycling while throwing a massive blinding fire concussion wave down the range line. The rear receiver features an integrated hinge mechanism for side-folding stocks, ensuring the total package drops down to an incredibly tight footprint that packs away seamlessly inside an emergency vehicle kit or a low-profile urban deployment bag. Number 5. PSA Saber 10K1. We are transitioning to a precision-engineered, large-frame battle rifle designed to extend your effective ballistic zone out to the 700-yard line. The heavy-caliber semi-automatic market has long been dominated by boutique builders charging ungodly premiums for basic accuracy upgrades, but this platform completely breaks that monopoly by delivering match-grade, out-of-the-box performance. The structural backbone of this weapon is a precision machined billet aluminum upper and lower receiver set, which completely eliminates the loose shifting rattle found in entry-level forged builds and provides a rock-solid foundation for long-range optics arrays. Running a 16-inch heavy fluted barrel chambered in .308 Winchester, this rifle is built to withstand massive thermal stress during continuous rapid-fire strings without drifting your zero. The standout engineering feature is the multi-position adjustable gas block system hidden beneath a free-float M-lock handguard. This allows the shooter to mechanically tune the gas port diameter down to the exact micro-inch required to run high-pressure defensive rounds or suppressors, reducing back pressure and carbon blowback into the fire control. Group. Internally, the bolt carrier group is heavily upgraded with a hard chrome finish and micro-polished friction tracks for smooth mechanical movement. The trigger group is a top-tier flat-face duty bow that snaps clean like a glass rod at a crisp two-stage pull, allowing your front sight profile to remain perfectly motionless while pushing heavy-caliber projectiles across. Distand grid sectors. Number 4, PSA ARV, a 9mm pistol caliber carbine engineered specifically to eliminate the severe feeding failures that historically plagued standard direct blowback hybrid platforms for years. The fatal flaw with most budget utility carbines is their reliance on cheap polymer mag designs or awkward feeding angles that cause hollow point defense rounds to slam straight into the barrel extension face. This system deletes that mechanical vulnerability entirely by building the aircraft-grade aluminum lower receiver around robust, steel-lipped Scorpion pattern box magazines. The structural blueprint features an integrated flared magwell that guides the double-stack magazines smoothly into position, while a heavy-duty oversized paddle release allows for lightning-fast manual manipulation under heavy stress. Internally, the weapon utilizes a massive blowback bolt assembly, weight-matched precisely to the recoil spring tension to absorb peak kinetic energy without causing dangerous bolt bounce or premature casing extraction. The free-float M-lock handguard provides a completely uninterrupted top rail, stretching down the receiver to accommodate heavy thermal optics arrays, red dot sights, and separate tactical lasers. The entire fire control system keeps a universal AR layout, meaning there is zero muscle memory penalty for shooters transitioning over from a primary defense rifle. It is a highly optimized, soft-shooting defensive carbine, built to sustain extreme round counts during close-range tactical operations without requiring continuous field stripping or delicate maintenance schedules. Number 3, PSA Jack. We are analyzing a long-stroke gas piston platform designed explicitly to dominate the high-end tactical rifle sector without forcing civilian owners to pay custom boutique import prices. Standard direct impingement rifles push hot, dirty carbon gas directly back into the bolt carrier assembly, which bakes carbon fouling onto your critical fire control groups and cooks off your operational lubrication during heavy firing. Schedules. This rifle solves that logistics crisis completely by transferring the physical gas expansion up to a forward-mounted steel piston rod assembly. The expanding gas hammers the piston rod, driving the monolithic bolt carrier backward while keeping the complete receiver interior completely cool, clean, and free of abrasive grit. The upper frame is a single, monolithic aluminum structure that increases structural rigidity by 40% over generic two-piece split receivers, ensuring your zero remains perfectly locked even when running heavy infrared. Accessories on the forward rail sections. The non-reciprocating side charging handle can be swapped to either flank effortlessly, allowing for rapid clearance drills, or manual cycling from tight vehicle cabins. Backed by a multi-position toolless adjustable gas regulator, the operator can mechanically adjust internal back pressure within seconds to balance the cycling timing for varying propellant loads or heavy suppressor use. The rear receiver features a heavy-duty folding stock knuckle that drops the total transport length down to just 21 inches on compact models, making it an incredibly streamlined vehicle concealment asset that delivers full rifle-caliber ballistics the exact second it unfolds. Number 2, PSA Saber AR-15, the flagship weapon system that completely altered how modern defense rifle setups are classified in 2026. For generations, civilian owners looking for premium combat rifles had to buy a basic entry-level model and manually replace every single component to achieve duty-grade reliability. This platform completely deletes that exhausting upgrade process by delivering a fully enhanced tactical rifle straight out of the production crate. The mechanical foundation features a precision-forged receiver set packed with high-tier components that custom builders usually charge separate premiums for. Running a 16-inch cold hammer forged barrel optimized with a hard chrome lining, this engine is built to handle continuous high-volume fire cycles without experiencing thermal expansion or critical group degradation. The fire control assembly drops down to an upgraded flat-face trigger bow that eliminates all mushy travel, breaking clean with an incredibly sharp tactile reset to speed up follow-up shot tracking during aggressive dynamic drills. Wrapped in a rugged free-float M-lock handguard that provides an ironclad lockup for structural lasers and heavy-duty weapon lights, the platform runs a premium micro-polished bolt carrier group with enhanced friction reductions. It is a highly refined, dominant tool engineered to push past mil-spec limitations, making premium heritage rifle brands look seriously overpriced. Number 1. PSA Saber Key. The most insane and visually overwhelming tactical weapon integration system to hit the civilian security sector in decades. While generic manufacturers continue to recycle the exact same flat-top carbine handguards over and over again, this platform completely redefines heavy-duty close-range breech asset allocation. Instead of forcing you to deploy a separate shoulder-slung smoothbore gun, this system places a compact, manually operated 12-gauge pump-action shotgun directly under your primary rifle barrel assembly. The engineering balance is incredibly intense, mounting a short 10-inch heavy-walled steel barrel directly to your host weapon rail system via a heavily reinforced locking mechanism built to withstand massive kinetic counterforces under continuous operation. The pump mechanism uses shortened action bars that feed full-power defense shells from a 3+1 internal tube mag capable of cycling heavy buckshot slug payloads or specialized mechanical door-breaching munitions seamlessly. While installing this system causes your total weight envelope to climb well past 10 pounds, that added metal mass acts as a natural stabilizer, absorbing severe recoil shocks and holding your primary rifle tracking extremely flat during rapid multi-target failures. It is a brutal, uncompromising, specialized force multiplier built exclusively for shooters looking to secure the ultimate mechanical breach advantage on the range or on the line. After burning through all 10 of these mechanical workhorses, one reality becomes completely undeniable down at the firing line. Palmetto State Armory is no longer playing defensive budget games inside the civilian market. From compact long-stroke piston platforms and high-velocity defense handguns to retro operational carbines and integrated underbarrel 12-gauge breaching lines, they are building some of the most innovative and highly technical assets available today. Several of these weapons compete head-to-head with premium custom lines costing thousands more, while others push straight into tactical territory that heritage brands are completely terrified to touch. But now the spent brass is cold, and I want to hear your logistical feedback. Which specific platform on this list earned a permanent slot inside your home defense locker, and which build do you think is changing the market the fastest? Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Stay sharp.